This morning I got a unit that fan's not coming on. This old unit, and this one is from 2004. And as you can see, it's rainy. Let me show you what's going on. Unit's running, no fan. Spins, it's not locked. Only got a few tools out because it's raining. We've already replaced the fan cycling switch on this thing numerous times. I think like twice. First call in the morning, you know. Don't know. Hopefully. I don't feel like changing the switch. Oh, the capacitor's good. Power going through switch right there. So what I'm going to do, get a stake on it. Alright, so I took the fan switch out of the situation and I just put the black to there. Let's see what happens. Oh, and our fan starts. Okay, so within the last, let's see, 4 years, that thing has failed twice. So it's time for something new. I think I'm just gonna stick a, whatever you want to call it, on there. Get rid of that and go with the head pressure control. But I gotta do some rearranging. Probably just have to move that ground wire out of the way. Put that ground somewhere else. And I'll put my little box right there. I'm gonna see if I got one on the truck. Alright, so I've got the head pressure control right here. Screws, thermistor. Gotta tie this onto the condenser coil. And we're gonna get rid of that. It's been there, you know, constant failure. I don't have my GoPro today, so you're on the phone. So I'm thinking I can get some tools. I'm thinking we move that ground wire to somewhere. Don't fit in there too good. Doesn't fit in there very well, but we'll make it happen. Move the ground up a little. I always carry one of these head pressure controls on the truck that come in handy. Throwing a probe on right now, so I don't have to play around with it while it's in there. Oh, these are Phillips. I'm gonna give you Phillips. now. I've used both switches and those, and I've had more success with those. Not failing. Let's put it that way. Okay, so I just got to remember how this works. It's been a little while since I put one on. 208, 230. Real line 1. Line 1's yellow. There's a crankcase heater on here too. That's a crankcase heater thermistor. We're gonna switch. This is a crappy contactor. Well, we got a few terminals on it. We're gonna switch the switch. Yeah, we're just going to switch the crankcase heater over to the other side. That ain't going to matter. Or will it? No. I'll just use some stake-on connections. Oh, it got really small in here. So I gotta take line 1 is my yellow, which is tied to it's on the run capacitor line, so that's my common. Then I got a line 2 coming in that supplies the motor. Let me jam the paperwork in here somewhere. Wire off of the head pressure control for the fan cycling switch. You guys even see? I lost my crimpers. It's amazing how fast you can misplace tools. hear my knuckles bust. Yellow, which is a common. And that's on there. My other one. We need about that one. That'll work. Oh, I can't. It sucks. My line 2 on there. Gotta have a better solution for the customer here. You know, I don't think I've ever condemned one of these things, ever. These head pressure controls. But that's just me. Okay, now I just gotta get my thermistor put up on the liquid to the top of the condenser. And usually what I do, get the hot gas line right here, stick it up top there. Right there, first few rows, I just tie it in there with a zip tie. If I had some zip ties. Insulation tape on it too. Insulate it. This one I don't think I'm going to be able to. I think I'm just going to pop the top really quick. Won't take me but a second to get it off. following the directions, it says stick it up here. So I'll just stick it right here on this hot gas line right there. And I'll be able to insulate it. This is the first few rows of the coil, so it doesn't matter if it's liquid or hot gas. The allergies are killing me this morning. Just trim my tape up so it fits in there. We just zip tied it there, that probe, taped it up, insulated it. Switch out of the way. Re-secure my wires. So this is sleeve bearing, and in the instructions it tells you where to set it. So I'm going to be sleeve. Back on. We'll start it up. Alright, we're going to start it up. Fan should not start right away. Take a second. those wires got in the mix. Because I cut the zip ties. Let's try it again. When it's really cold, it will start up even slower. Now it's running full bore because it's hot outside. But that's it. That's all she needed. Let me get everything packed up here. I might want to spray them off because they got some cottonwood. So alright, so we're going to spray them off. I'm surprised these things aren't rotted out because they're at ground level and the salt trucks come by and spray it with salt. Believe it or not, it's not. Let me spray them off. It's going to take me a bit. I don't think you need to watch me wash coils. Sometimes I wonder about myself. I'm like, where's my phone? Oh, it's right there. Looking all over for my phone for the last minute. And I'm like, oh, it's there. So with this one, that fan switch, we've put 2 on since 2018. So I'm like, I ain't putting another fan switch on there. It's just going to fail anyways. And the guy paid, I don't know, X amount of money. I mean, I think the last 2 times equaled what I put on today. You know, between labor and, you know, time, you know, parts. So that's his better deal. You know, honestly, I could say I don't think, maybe once or twice, I've condemned those head pressure controls, but they were quite old. So we got the coils washed up. They're pretty dirty on the backside with cottonwood. We got a cottonwood problem around here, so I got those sprayed out and we were good to go. He was super happy. Got it done first thing in the morning. And we are off to the next one. I'm using my phone today instead of the GoPro. I don't know, I think I left my GoPro at home. I hate that thing anyways. Like, the mic sucks on it. The media mod just is, I tried that for a while, it worked for a while, and then it just quit. I went through 3 of them. I need a new camera. So, I don't know if you guys know of any new cameras that are out that are pretty decent. Let me know in in the comments. You guys know what you need to do. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.